Yo, yo. Fappening boys. Right, so I think EU and GU might go long. So let's get the tablet. UJ's already gone long, which is interesting. Don't know if I'd want to long UJ. Did see something about news about the yen, so I'd better go check that out. There's been no news yet. There's been no news in terms of what the hell is going on with. Let's look for an entry really quick. Lovely volume coming in. It's gonna go straight into that invalid zone, so I can't take that long. So annoying. I have to just wait now. Just to kind of see where we're gonna go from here on EU GU. It's fine. It's just a waiting game. It is what it is. The biggest thing in trading is having the patience to just kind of sit and wait for the ideal setup to occur. So guess what? That's what we're gonna do. Sit and basically wait. Okay. I'm gonna go on M2. and just kind of, actually, you know what, I'll go M1, because if I do catch a sell-off occurring, I want to get into that trade before it takes all of this out, just in case I flip from a buy to a sell and it looks valid. And there's the high, the high and low. Let's just read price action really quick. Buyers are still very much so in this market from what I'm seeing. So here is the latest demand zone after that being taken out on price, and it's not bad. Yo, yes, Amal, good morning, good morning. I didn't see you join, sorry. Hello.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Good morning. Done a lovely recovery, hasn't it? Done a lovely recovery back. Silver has. It's not come with the same volume that it dropped off at, but that's because that's a mass liquidation event there. But it did pull back quite good. It did pull back quite good. I just missed this on UJ. Literally, I was a few minutes too late on that. But on the pound yen, I think I'd want to go short. In all honesty, pound yen. So silver breakout had a resistance level right here, broke it. Lovely candle right there. Lovely candle right there, and then that one's pushing up. build up of lows, sweep through with momentum. Buys still look really good. Buys still look really good on silver. I would have been in this trade, but obviously I don't have a personal account because I took the money out in it. Otherwise I'd have bought in and held from here. But obviously if you don't have the account, then you know you can't really take anymore. Silver longs look good basically, and I will target up to this level here, 92, 95 for the intraday. Unless you're gonna swing it, then just do 0.1, 0.2, except that you might get all the way back down to 80, so have like a big stop loss, and then just swing it all the way back into the highs again for like a nice nice risk reward or whatever. Yo.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Good morning, David. Bye. Silver key, yeah, I think it's gonna go all-time highs. Yeah, exactly. I completely think it will. Yes. Morning, we ready for May?
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
And the lads are in today. Haroon, you're awake early, mate. You're waking up at 9, half 9. So UJ gave a long here. Invalid zone failed, price dropped straight back into a demand zone, and then obviously you got the buyer stepping in there. So UJ gave a nice little, just woke up, gonna get ready for work soon. Yeah, morning mate, good morning. UJ, I would want to go short because you got all of this little channel going on here. So I'm just kind of looking for some type of confirmation for that. Is what I would like to see anyway, like some sort of clean cut sort of sell off on GJ. And what I'm seeing is we're running out of pushing higher. So you got this high that broke internal structure, led to this lower high that made it equal low, led to this relatively equal high that led to this higher low. So I need to see a clean push up or down, hopefully up to take out this high and then go down, hopefully. UJ's already gone anyway, that's fine. That would have been a 2.8 pip SL, that would have been really good actually. But the volume, I don't know man, UJ is a bit...
UK's DMO plans to hold a programmatic gilt tender of a long conventional gilt on February 11th.
Voice news disconnected.
Why is his voice like a mouse, man? Normally it's quite loud. Let's bump up the volume a little bit. So what we doing then? But yeah, gold and silver, silver especially longs look better because with silver you got a clear all-time high target. Gold you do have it, but with silver we know we're doing more percentage, man. If you got 1% in silver and you're doing 10% days, you're gonna get way more risk reward than you what if you do 1% on gold and you get a 4-5% day. It just makes sense logically. Oh, Dima. I thought it's Divot. I don't know why I thought it's Divot. My bad. Sorry. Hi, Mwangi. Karibu Ndugu. Mambo VP. Oh, how's your challenge going anyway, Mwangi? Your the challenge thing you're doing. Yo, Mambo Freshie. Good. Yeah, how's your challenge thing going with who's it with anyway? Is it with the prop firm or what? That thing that you're doing? It's okay, beats trading a demo. Yeah, I guess it would, because if you win something, like, you win something, and if you don't, then it doesn't really matter, I suppose, because it's still a demo account, isn't it? On like a challenge thing. Is it with the prop firm then, or what? Oh, okay, yeah, that's interesting. Yeah, that's not bad, to be fair. Not a bad idea. I also want to have a look at Bitcoin and stuff like that, because I think that's still been going down as well, hasn't it? Bitcoin Cash Dollar. What's this? It's a new one. Okay, we're still hovering around 76 or whatever it is. Well, so we look at WTI. Have a quick look at oil again. I think oil's going to keep going up in it. I don't know if you've seen, but Iran sent a drone. I think it's a spy drone, and then America shot it down in the Arabian Peninsula, like the Arabian Sea, the Gulf, wherever. So I think oil might push up again. I don't know if that was here on Thursday, or if that was it yesterday. It might have been Thursday. I don't know. So I think there's some slight escalation, but then I've seen stuff like from Iranian officials saying that we're trying to do diplomatic solutions and stuff like that. So I'm not sure exactly what's going on. What else is there? We can look at gold and silver, I suppose, from higher time frame. So gold is having a lovely little pushback, I suppose. That's quite nice, actually, for gold and silver. Honestly, I would have loved to have bought in, but obviously I don't have any money in my account in it, and the £300 I had was not enough for the drawdown to be accepted. So yeah. It would have been nice to be in that move, but it is what it is. Go back to 2 minute chart. And where's the weekly then? So we're still sat in this consolidation. Could we get a move on market London Open maybe then? If it's just going to sit and consolidate? It looks like this zone was an invalid zone. It looks like this zone might have actually been the move for the day. because the volume is looking like it's more on the short side. There. So it looks like shorts were the way to go. So you might see another strong day for the dollar. I want the price to come take out all this, man. But I suppose it's not that clean, is it? Nope, not really. There was a move there, there's a move there, there's a move there. I suppose, yeah, it's already done that. You had this high here, which is invalid zone. Price come in, took that zone out. With an inducement there. Then we had first leg, second leg, pullback. Entry was here at 646. Third leg, pullback. Third leg, lol. And then third leg. And then drop down. Yeah, I suppose that makes sense.
Europe's safest corporate bond spreads dropped to the lowest since 2007.
How are we anyway, man?
Well, hello everybody, this is Donald J. Trump. You're behind the markets. If
Oh, the
you're
government
a
shutdown
real
ended. That
trader,
was
go
quick.
Real time at financialjuice.com/purchase. And save
That was really quick.
67% on a subscription. Isn't that one big, huge, brilliant deal? Come on, people.
Silver buys at 88. We can have a look. Yeah, I like that. I like that buy from $87.8 to around 88.4. That sort of level there. Or you could just actually from about here. Or 89's a bit high actually. But yeah, like anywhere from this region is nice. Actually, you know what? Put it below that candle there. So yeah, 88.9 to about 87.9. That's a nice little pocket. Nice little pocket to go along. It's like a break and retest, ain't it? So it's a resistance level right there. Break coming for a quick retest and go. Yeah, that looks nice. That looks nice. But have you realized in London, yeah, it's been a bit like, has it? It's consolidated there. Consolidated there. It's been sick in New York to trade gold. Gold and silver have been brilliant in New York because you got a really nice volume if you can catch on the right side of it. Yeah. I think that's the fair level, 88. If you do on the dot, then that's quite a snipe, because if you right here, let me just put it on the chart in it. There. And then I would swing that back to like 90, 94, yeah, like 94. Oof, we're getting really deep on it. There's 87.7, and then on that one you probably want to do like 70, probably 100 pip stop loss. About 100 odd pips. So we will keep an eye on that. Right, let's go back to yen. Oh, we're going up still. Bloody hell. We're gonna keep rallying. Okay. The possibility. What about CHF then? What's that looking like? Bloody hell, that happened really quick. That volume came in. I don't know if it's gonna give a reversal or not. We'll have to see what it does. Actually, it does look like it's just generated a bunch of liquidity to take out that invalid zone. And then we've just come down. First leg, volume, big volume there, contraction, drop down, nice leg there, nice candle there. I would prefer to go long. It looks cleaner to me to go long. But it's too close to the invalid zone. Damn it, it's very, very disheartening that. I mean, technically, here's the 5-minute zone. you're gonna take a small risk on silver. How much you gonna risk? Because if you're gonna do like 100 pip SL, is gonna have to be like a 0.01, depending on the demo. What size demo account have they given you for the thing? The whatever it's called, the challenge. Use a DCA approach in it and do small positions, allowing for pullbacks and deeper entries for more exposure in that trade, if that makes sense. I don't know what account balance they gave you. I think on challenges the not bloody, what's it called, man? The challenges they do, or whatever you want to call them, competitions, tournaments, yeah, I think they do 100k, don't they? I need a second leg to come. If I get a second leg, I'm going long GU. I just need that second leg. That sounds dodgy. Show me the second leg. What the hell? Oh god. Okay, that's nice. On CHF. Kind of tagged into that M5 supply, but I think I don't need to be worried about that so much, because if we do break this second leg, I think I'll be okay. I think. I'm gonna Asia high bounce there. Took out that low. Didn't tag that demand zone. Only just missed it. You mean like yeah, that's what I was telling you, because you wanted to buy it really cheap and I was like, yo, that's a long way away, man. Where you wanted to get it from yesterday. And then the whole of Asia session is flew up in it. But I think I did see some news about let me read it for you. Bro, I'm dead. Sorry, one of my mates just posted something in it. Trading is easy when you're not a pussy. That's such a funny post. What a guy. What a guy. Right, I need to go back to trading now so I don't miss any bloody entries or anything. That was a good laugh. Yeah, Yen said something. Something happened with Yen. I forgot what it was, but something happened. Break these bloody highs, will ya? 1, 2, 3. Oh wow, we got triple highs there. I needed to break those highs, and then I need to see if there's a clean little demand. That looks alright. This doesn't it? And then what about that? Oh god. I would rather do a 40. Yeah, that's fine. Go. I would definitely do a 3 point. How much? 3.3 pippa on here. If we broke structure. Whoa. Bro, like, when you're driving that car, it's 500 horsepower to the front wheels, bro. And it's literally like wheels spinning in third, fourth gear at like 120, 130 miles an hour. So you gotta fight the car, bro. It's like you're trying to control a beast. It's good fun. And that's why you see my focus and you see my lip twitch as well, because it's like, whoa. Also, Richard, welcome.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Yeah, I'm fully locked in, bro. I'm fully locked in. And that's only at 500 horsepower. The engine's built for like 800-900. But it's too much for the street. Way too much horsepower for the street, that is. But when I go to the racetrack or something like that, then we can start looking at potentially utilizing all those horsepowers. You know what I mean, brother? So I want to catch a 2.5 pip SL on this, and then I want to go long. But the issue is we're right near the invalid zone. Dang, that's sick. I don't, since I started trading, because one, it's money. Two, it's a lot of time fixing a car, racing a car, going to events and stuff like that. It takes a lot of. It's fun, but it's like work. Because you got rounds in it: first round, second round, qualifier, qualifying, knockout. So you got qualifying, first round, second round, semi-finals, finals, and then, bro, and then it's all in 2 days. So you're working on the car, you're freaking, racing the car, fixing the car. It's hard work, man, but it's really good fun. But it's expensive, bro. I'm like 50k deep in the car, bro. Comfortable 50s. About 40k deep in the car, and I got about another 10 I want to chuck at it, maybe 15. So yeah, it's good fun. I actually want to go to Florida and race in Florida because I have the event in Florida, FL2K or something like that. It's in Bradenton. What's the racetrack's name? Bradenton, Florida? I don't know, somewhere there. So yeah, I do want to. Yeah, I want to go and race there. Yeah. But I'm only gonna do that once I've like made big bank from trading. So this might be a 5 to 8 year goal, bro. Because I need to like be a millionaire by the time I'm doing stuff like shipping a car abroad to America, having a race team, because I want my own race team and stuff like that. So like I want me as a driver, 2 mechanics, my own tuner. I want to bring like a truck worth of parts and stuff like that, like a full setup. And like, you know, those trucks where you put the car inside of it and then it expands out of it, it's a motorhome. They're like 400,000-500,000 on their own. And then all the tools, a spare engine for me to compete in FL2K. It's like a 15k engine, maybe a 20k engine. A transmission's about 12-13k. So I need like 2 spare engines, 2 spare transmissions, clutches, turbos. You've probably got like 50k in parts that you need just as spares. Now, when you're competing in America, because that's where all the big dogs are, and like all the record holders and stuff like that. It's an expensive game, bro. It's an expensive game, but it's really fun. Like, it's really fun, bro. And there's a lot of drama as well because everyone's like very egotistical because they want to be like the world's best and have that very egotistical thing. For me, I just want to have fun. So I'm very different. But there's a lot of drama there and stuff like that. So ultimately, like once I've got enough funding, I want to like kickstart my YouTube channel again because this channel was my car one. I want to kickstart a separate channel and then have it purely dedicated to like racing and stuff like that. And because I'm gonna try and move out the UK and live in the Middle East, I want to like do like a twin turbo like 4,000 horsepower Lamborghini like Aventador, or like a really monster like 4,000 or 5,000 horsepower Lambo, or I don't know, something insane. Because to me, normal cars don't like satisfy me at all. Like a normal Lamborghini to me is like like I'm not interested. A Bugatti, I'm not bothered. Koenigsegg, I like Koenigsegg's. They're exceptional cars, Koenigsegg's are. But Lambo, Ferrari, Bentley, they're all very meh. Oh man, I don't want to go Dubai. Dubai is too Habibi, if you get what I mean. I want to go to Oman. Oman's a bit more traditional. It's a bit more safer because they're not involved in politics within that region. Yeah, so I wouldn't really want to go to Dubai. Maybe on a vacation, but even that goes against my personal beliefs on some things. Religious wise and like just ethics wise even. Nah, America's too racist. I'm brown as anything. I'm brown as I don't want to get shot. Bro, I don't like America. I really don't. It's too dangerous, man. You guys have got drugs, gangs, freaking ICE, everything. I'm not going there. No chance. Too dangerous, man. I'm really going for like a holiday just to race. I don't know. It's too risky for me, bro. It's too risky. Okay, so we just dropped down, collected all of this. Wait, are you Caucasian? You are, aren't you? I don't think you're Hispanic or anything, right? Like, the UK is way safer than America because we don't have gun crime, we have knife crime. and you're more likely to survive a knife crime than you are not survive a gun crime, if that makes sense. So UK is safer, and even this is like not safe as what I want it to be. Hence why I want to go to Oman. I got some Mexican blood in me. Órale, wey. ¿Tú hablas español? Sí o no? Me gusta español, pero difícil. Bro, I know like 8-9 languages. Me gusta reggaeton. Me gusta mucho reggaeton, pero muy peligroso. Porque es muy grande tetes el grande culo.
PMI forecast 56.8 prior 57.1.
Muy peligroso fui yo. Me gusta es colombiana, latinas, mexicana, latinas, muy hermosa. Fui yo. Fui yo. Mi mejor amiga es Spanish, Mexicana, Americana. Wait, what? Spanish Mexican, but she's born in America. Mi mejor amiga, sí. That's probably the extent of my Spanish in the full thing, the full scope. I can't trade NAS and US30, but bro, trading M1, like, it's hard to look at so many. No, but that's pretty much all the Spanish I know, innit? Like, you know. Oh, also I know Tengo. Tengo is like I have. Tengo. I don't really have a proper Spanish teacher, bro. It's just my friend who teaches me just like odd words here and there whenever I can't be bothered. But I need a full-on teacher. I need a full-on teacher for Spanish, Arabic, Swahili, Japanese, Farsi. What else is there? Because I've not practiced in a long time, so all of my languages are kind of like they're slowly drooping down because I've not practiced in a long time. But I know like 7 or 8 or 9, something like that. So yeah, I can't trade NAS in US30, but the issue is when you're trading M1, bro, it's so fast paced that you can't look at too many pairs. Before I was on 8 chart views, I was looking at 8 charts, yeah? It was EU, GU, EU, GU, GBPCHF, gbpjpy, there's 4, gold, silver, NAS and US30, all on M1. So when I was doing that, I was like missing so many trades, bro, that I wasn't even catching anything. Like I'd be looking at EU for like 3 minutes looking for an entry, and before you know it, NAS gave a break and it's gave an entry and it's gone. And then I look at NAS, I'm like, oh my god, I missed the entry, and I'm looking at it 3-4 minutes if it's valid or not. Then I go back to NQ. So that might be in US30. I go to Nasdaq, and Nasdaq's then done the same move in those 3 minutes I've been looking at US30. So it's kind of annoying. Do you stay on M1 or do you look at other time frames? I start off with rarely 1 hour, but if I need to look back, because I look at levels in it, like New York high, New York low. If there's a New York high from 6 months ago, I'll look at that, so I'll go to 1 hour, 4 hour for that. But majority of the time,
to meet Australia Trade Minister in Brussels next week.
But majority of the time, I just look at M15 to start the day, mark out my levels on M15, drop down to M5 to get a better view of what it looks like, and then I stay on M1. And then rarely I'll whoa. Hello. What happened there? 1 second. That was a nice little move on pound, wasn't it? Oh DL, how many pips was that? Yo, that was a 7.6 pip. That's a big candle. Okay. My friend said that to me as well. He said that if you go to Top Step and you get loads of accounts, you'll do good on M1. I was like, bro, I've got a trade copy here. I'm managing 13 accounts on M1.
3:15.
I've got to do
Eastern
3
time,
separate
Spanish says
executions for the
PMI.
first trade.
Forecast 56.8.
GU's gone, bro. Look at that.
57.1.
I wanted longs and GU's gone. I literally wanted longs. And that was not the right zone to take it. That was not the right zone. Because it's right near there. This was better to do a sweep, fly through that level and give it entry and go, but it's already done it big. Bro, we've done a 16 pip move in like freaking 10 minutes. But yeah, my friend said I'll do good on it. And he told me about Top Step and, you know, all those dudes and stuff. Wow, Jens, wow. No, but what I mean is the issue is I take one trade on here that copies to 6 accounts. I have to take the trade again on one MetaTrader 5 account that's linked to 3 more accounts. Then I have to take it on my phone that's linked to one of my funded accounts. So to execute 3 trades on M1 before the moves missed you or swerved you is difficult in itself. So for me to then do the analysis, do the trades for those 12 accounts like 3 times, to then go to look at the futures currency market or the futures Nasdaq, whatever, to then do an analysis and then do an entry, odds are it's going to be the same as me going back to 8 pairs and missing trades. You see what I'm trying to say? I have a trade copy here. For Forex. But I had to separate some of my accounts because I manage about 13 accounts right now, almost 1,970,000 worth of accounts, and there's about 12 accounts. Find a good Latina in the UK for Spanish. The thing is, Mwangi, yeah, a lot of the people in the West are very westernized, and I'm very far from Western values. Because when you live in the UK and you see all the dumb stuff they do, you're like, you know what? Send me to a Muslim country, bro. Honestly. Like, why do you think, like, you look at Dubai, bro? Look at Abu Dhabi. Look at Qatar, Doha. You've got more white people there than you have even Muslim people. Because they've had enough of the West. So for me, it's like, I just don't like all the drugs, the alcohol, the open relationships, the poor working conditions, the corporate mentality, the capitalism. I don't like any of that. It's inhumane on so many different like levels. And then you got, you know, the whole racist thing and stuff. Like, the West is very racist as well, bro. So racist. And we've seen that a lot with ICE and stuff like that as well. Like when Renee got shot, yeah, everyone's like, oh my god, a white woman died. When it's a Mexican or when it's a Colombian or a black guy, then it's okay, the media doesn't talk about it. But Renee Good, whoa, we gotta draw a line there, she's a white woman. Whoa, you see what I mean? It's just stuff I don't agree with, that sort of like double standard stuff. Don't get me wrong, Arabs are also very racist, yeah, but they don't show it in their politics or anything like that. It's more personal than it is public. Anyway, so yeah, that's the problem, Rich. It's going to be hard for me to do. I'll have to do one or the other. I'll either have to just do futures or just do Forex because of, like, you know, the fast pace of M1 and stuff like that, if you get what I'm trying to say. Man, that'd have been a nice trade, bro. Look at that. Okay, look at gbpchf.
1 minute remaining.
Let me just go on to this already. So see now I'm on M15 and M5 just because obviously I need to like get a better view on things, innit? And with M1 you can't really see everything. So now we've seen that we've just come and taken Frankfurt high. Now let's see what the reaction is going to be like from here, because what we do see is this nice little channel going on here. It's very similar how I trade this, but I traded this very similar pattern in London session, and then in New York session I wait till after the New York stock open at 2:30, and then I trade after 2:30.
56.8.
Because the New York stock open has that pump, doesn't it? So do you only trade Nasdaq then? And like US indices? Because they are really clean. Sell silver? Ah, okay. Yeah, it is good to trade, bro. I think it's good on M5 as well, to be honest, from what I've read. But all of my friends who trade who seen me trade M1, who are Nasdaq traders, on Top Step Future, sorry, they've all said you'll do really good on it. And I said the same thing to all of them. I goes, look, bro, literally I can just about handle what I'm doing now with 12 accounts, bro. If I had to do another separate account, so a separate trade, so a fourth entry, I wouldn't be able to handle it. I'm literally at my limit at 12 accounts, 3 separate entries. If it was a case where this trade copy on MetaTrader on TradingView is linked to all of my accounts, then yeah, I could definitely probably have another go by having a separate execution method or whatever. But because I'm having to do 3 executions in one go, it's too hard, it's too fast paced. This is the only drawback with trading lower time frame, whereas if you trade M15, M30 or 1 hour, you could literally trade everything because you got enough time to set your limits on each account manually. You won't even need a copier, and you could go to Forex and then do analysis on Forex because you got a full hour worth of time to wait or whatever, right? Because most people wait for confirmation, don't they, like the hourly close or whatever. So yeah, I think that's kind of a benefit there, but for me it'll be too difficult, man. Oh shit. We're back into these highs. Oh, Pip Analyst. Yeah, this is the person I was talking about, Pip Analyst. He was telling me about it. Because he trades futures with what's their face's name? Welcome, brother. Welcome to Stratton.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
L'chaim! We just done a circumcision and sucked off a child because we're Jewish. Oh no. Watch this video get banned now just because I said that comment. Oh dear. What's happening, Sahad? Oh, you've got your Pip Analyst account back. Well done. Ooh, wait a second. 1 leg. I just pumped 2 family pizzas. Mama, you fat boy. You absolute tank. You absolute beast. Big beastie out here, bro. Big beastie. Oh dear. Yeah, Sahad the Rich is a very old time viewer, like from long ago. He came once and then disappeared, and now he's resurrected himself after like 8 months. He trades futures as well, NAS and stuff like that. Wait, it is futures, isn't it? Yeah, Top Step America. Yes. It will be. Similar story. The issue I get with M1 is there's always an invalidation, or you're always getting swerved. That's the only really bad thing about M1. Hey, why is that all the way over here? 7, what? What's going on here? Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, it's because I had a meltdown. I was like, what the hell? For you. So the entry here would have been good. This one right here. To be honest, I would have just done that. I wouldn't have done such a tight 2 point. I'd probably done about a 3 pip SL. Realistically, within my target. And then there would have been a lot of chop with the one UJ. It would have been a lot of chop. Bashy, come to Dark Side Futures. I was telling him in it, man, that I would, but then it's the issue that I can't analyze so many pairs at one time and it'd be overwhelming, innit? Even my other friend has said it because he wants to go to futures. He was saying that I'm going to go to futures. I've had enough of Forex and then all that stuff in it, so. And then he's saying to me, why don't you go? And I was like, yeah, I spoke to Sahad, I spoke to a few people, they all say it, but I just literally can't, innit? It's M1, bro, I can't. I'm literally not that capable. I think I'm gonna go long. No short, what am I talking about? So EU did a first leg there, second leg there. That's a nice zone to short from. It's tagged this demand zone. I don't like that. That's an invalidation for me. But I really did like the look of going short from here. Hey, that's long. Going short from here. And the SL is so tiny, I could probably even just cover this supply zone if I wanted to, or just do a really tight SL. Like a 2 pip SL. And then set another limit right at the 2. And then have that above these highs. For 2.5 and then shoot both of them down. Just focus on gold and micro NAS on top step, and that's the way you trade M1 or M5. M1 in it. Yeah, but it's the issue of looking at too many things at one time and just being overwhelmed in it. That's the problem. You know, it'd be sick if you had a community of multiple traders that can all just send trades to each other and all just be profitable off of each other's analysis, but it would be hard for me to do on M1. Because by the time I sent the signal, the entry's gone, you're break even already. Okay, GUs broke that low. That's giving me a chance to go short. Price is pretty balanced there. I need, what the hell? I can't go short on GU. There's no clean zone for me to short from on GU. It's only EU, but I wanted to break this low. There's first leg, there's second leg. I really want to I would like very much for that. Or what about gbpchf? See, price action is not, yeah, it's a bit poop right now. Price action is like, as of right now. Ugh. Yeah, but I trade New York on Forex as well, innit? Like I look at it on Forex as well. I'm scanning the charts in New York too, because my trading window is the same on New York and on futures or Forex. The only difference is on futures, I probably wouldn't want to take a trade because my trading window in New York is 2 till 4, and the New York Open is 2:30. So I would probably trade after the New York Open, so like after 30 minutes after the New York Stock Exchange Open. So I'd have like 3 till 4, just a 1 hour window to really look for a trade. Actually, no, I can do a 2 hour window because it's futures, isn't it? Yeah. So I could probably do like 2 hours after the 2 hours 30 up to 2.5 hours after the stock open. I could trade, I suppose. So maybe I could trade if I haven't found anything on Forex after 4 p.m. UK time. Maybe I could look for another hour on the future side of things, but I'm only really gonna have the chance for that 1 hour, if that makes sense. That's true, you can trade New York, that's the best time, and you can leave you can trade only the top step accounts, leave those others alone when you're done, and it night or morning go to the other ones right now. Yeah, true. Yeah. Fair enough. I'm abandoning Forex firms end of this month, solely focusing on futures and personal FX account. Yeah, that's a fair, Sahad. Yeah. You know, this is the issue with M1. It's not so flexible as to the other time frames because you've got more time. Does that make sense? I'm saying it to Rich earlier on, Sahad. This is the good thing about 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame. You could literally trade everything because you're not limited by, oh, I need to execute now, otherwise the trade's gone. Like, you can just set your limits and just take your time. But when I chose to trade M1, I kind of chose to accept all of these issues and mainly focus on Forex anyway. And the way I'm looking to be diverse is I'm actually looking to learn options. I think that's more of the method I'm going to use for diversity, because options has a higher win rate with a fixed risk reward. So you can get like a 70 to 80% win rate with the risk reward of 1-to-1, 1-to-2. Well, 1-to-1-ish. I would prefer that. Yeah, options, yeah, like puts and calls and stuff like that. Options is very advanced for traders, I would say. Like if you start trading Forex is like the base level, yeah? Then you got futures, then you've got what else have you got? Futures. Bro, one of the guys I chat to, he's up, yeah, in 2 weeks, 435,000, bro, on options. Obviously his risk must have been good, yeah? Like his risk must have been
you're
great.
behind the market.
But when I was learning
You're
about
a
options,
real
he said
day trader.
your
Go
drawdown rate is so
real-time
small.
at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Let's make a big, beautiful deal.
I'm not
people.
looking
Come
to
on.
make a living off of options. I'm just looking to add to my very low trade frequency of M1 by offsetting it with options where there's way more opportunity for trades and the risk reward is far lower. It's basically the opposite of what I trade now. Really high win rate, very low risk reward, more stable, more safe. Whereas my M1's more of an aggressive strategy. Bro, I'm telling you, options like it's yeah. And I know someone who's been trading options and he's a trader for like 25 years, and he sent me like a link for like a free video on basics on options, and all of the people I know are going to him. And as I said, like he's one of the few authentic people I actually like follow on social media. Yeah, it's like you got ball, you got bear call put, you got bull call call, then you got a bear put. You can also do a bull put and a bear call, and it depends on like the. I still don't really get it, but I'm gonna watch this video because it's like an hour and 20 minutes long. I'm gonna watch it and study it. And then I'm gonna go back to my learn the course on options, but that I'll do like in like 6 months later or something like that. Yeah, you use delta, you use gamma, you use alphas, delta, alpha, gamma. Yeah, but you know the options market is absolutely amazing, bro, because you get to see, you know, COT data, commitment of traders, and like all these smart money traders, whatever. Options gives you really good insight into where are the banks and hedge funds safely putting their positions. Oh yeah. I think it'd be good for me because I'm very fundamental heavy anyway and very sentiment heavy anyway. I just don't use it on M1. I just study it because I find it fascinating. Which led me to making that silver trade for like 70%, even though price was at all-time highs, because I knew. So it is good, to be fair, and I think it'll go well with the way I trade because it's the offset of a very aggressive, very fast-paced, high-risk reward. It's like I'm playing baseball. I'm swinging for the fences on baseball on Forex, yeah, and then I want to get like a desk job as my options. It's like very opposite, and I think that will kind of find balance in the way I trade, if that makes sense. It makes me more diverse. It's just order flow charts, but obviously you will do your analysis on wherever you're looking on the chart itself, and then you look at the order flow chart, and then like for example you might get a 66.90 and you're on a. Actually, don't even, you know, I'm not even going to say nothing. I might be completely wrong. I'll watch this video over the weekend. I'll study it over the weekend. And if I learn something, I'll tell you. But it's supposed to be a very safe way of trading. Obviously, still lose, but like if you do something wrong, obviously. But it's like less exposure, more fixed, and more consistent than like trading Forex and futures and stuff like that, because you've got risk reward factors, you've got all that stuff in it. Bro, options is a really good thing, bro. I think from what I thought it was bullshit, and after I started looking at it and studying a bit about it, I was like, you know what, for me personally it might be a really good thing. For you, I don't know, because you trade 4 hour anyway, so 4 hours on futures, that's not bad, because you can do Forex, futures, commodities, indices, whatever, you're okay. But for me, I need something to offset my very, very low trade frequency. So I'm getting money in the meantime from some other method of trading, i.e. options. That's kind of what I'm thinking. I'll watch the video, and if it's any good, I'll send it to you, innit? Because I've downloaded it on the options thing. So I'm glad eurusd worked out on the short, but obviously first leg, second leg, there's your entry. It tagged it absolutely beautifully, bro. And then it did a nice volume coming in, momentum coming in. That's what I like to see on price action. The only issue is it didn't break that low. If we took out this leg here and this leg here, and we didn't tag this, then I would have gone short. Do you want it now? Do you want me to send it to you now?
At 3:45 a.m. Eastern Time, we get Italian Services PMI forecast 51.3, prior 51.5.
Oh, I don't know if it's gonna let me send it. Oh god, yeah, it's too big. Where shall I send it? Yeah, it's a big file because it's 77 minutes long. So it won't let me send it on Discord. You need to figure out where to send it. Probably Instagram, or you got Telegram. Telegram might be a good shout. Price isn't doing much as of right now. I'll Discord you after you're live when you're free. Yeah. That's fine. My CPU's gonna turn up today. I can't wait. I just keep looking at the... Bro, the guy shipped it yesterday at 4 p.m. and it's almost here, man. It's already in Burton. It's already where I live, like, in my town. Yo, he did fast delivery on that bad boy. Yeah. I can't wait. This computer's gonna be a beast. Did you get off Amazon? No, eBay. The guy just did rapid delivery, bro. For the CPU, innit? GPU guy said he's gonna send it today after work. Yeah, for you. So EU's looking good now. Look at that. That's looking nice. You would have been break even at that point. So it would have been a break even in 1 to 3 minutes of taking the entry within my 3 to 7-8 minutes time frame. How much points is the actual amount you'd say you catch on M1? It depends on the asset. On GJ, I normally target 35 pips, which is 35 ticks for TP1, and TP2 70 ticks, TP3 is 100 ticks. UJ, I think UJ's weird because it's not the same volume. So with UJ, I would probably have to adjust that and say like 25 ticks, 50 ticks, and 60 ticks. EUGU is between 12 and 15 ticks on EU for TP1. TP2 is between 25 to 30 ticks, and TP3 is between 45 to about 50 ticks. On GU, it's 15 to 18 ticks, 30 to 35 ticks, 45 up to 60 ticks. I have everything's fixed. Everything's fixed. That includes TP1, TP2, and then a tiny runner, which is TP3, which rarely gets hit. Very rarely. I know my average trade duration for TP1. I know my average trade duration for TP2. I know my average trade duration for a SL. I know my average trade duration for a BE. I know my average trade duration.
3:45 a.m. Eastern time, we get Italian services.
Bro,
PMI
I know,
forecast
like, I
51
can
spot
literally
3,
tell
prime
you
51 spot
every
5.
single aspect of my trading method. The average time I take an entry, the average time I catch a reversal, the average risk reward, everything. But this is how you're supposed to trade, Rich. This is how you're supposed to trade. If you're not trading like that, you're still just gambling, and you've not learned anything from trading. Banks, hedge funds, all these guys, they have a strategy. They know it like the hairs on the back of their hand, bro. If you're not trading like that, brother, you're not going to be successful. It's a harsh truth. People just learn a strategy and then they just trade the strategy, but they don't know their data. They don't know when should they take TP. Why should they take TP there? What's the purpose for it? For me, because of my back testing, I have evidence, I have proof. TP1 this time, TP2 this time. Why? Because of my data. I've shown it to all these guys, bro. Ask them how many screenshots I've got, yeah, of me going through collecting data. I've got like maybe 300-400 screenshots, bro, that I've shown these guys, probably about 80 or 100 screenshots of all the data I've collected.
Meeting with Putin.
Literally all the data. How many pips does London move? What time does London move? How many pips does New York move? Every New York session. I did from 2012 all the way to 2024. I collected data every single day, bro, of GU's London Open movement, a New York movement, every single day. So how many days is that? I've got literally like 14 years of data, like on averages, like pit movements and stuff like that. Literally, I spent hours doing it, and that was just for me to, like, because my strategy is what it is, but the data was helping me to determine where should I set my TP on average, which is why I have TP2 and TP3. TP1 on average hits the most. TP2 is realistic. TP3 happens not often, which is why I don't set my TPs at TP3, because as per data, I want to maximize my edge. I don't like capping everything at TP1 and then it goes 5 times higher. Why would you restrict yourself as a trader? My method is, if you're in that trade and it's flying, let it fly as much as you can and maximize on the best move you can get, which is where my data sits between all of them. Most points being hit on averages. I don't do a lot of what do you mean? Wait, what do you mean? Oh, you mean like different TP levels or numerous partials levels? Because I trade Forex, you trade lots. You can close partial. You can close part of the position. If I've got 10 lots and I'm at TP1, I would close 4.5 lots, which is 45%. Then at TP2, I close another 4.5 lots, which is 45%. And then I would have 1 lot left. And 1 lot left is going to go for TP3. At TP3, I would close either 50% of that or 75% of that. And then I just let it run. I never fully close out of a trade. Never fully close out. I just keep taking partials and partials and partials, and I let it run as much as it can. Just in case at TP3 on GU, yes, it's 60 pips. But what if GU does that one exceptional day where it does a 100 pip move? At least if I've taken, on that 1 lot, I've taken 50% of it off or 75%, that tiny runner might go on another 7-8 order give me another 4K or 3K or 4K, and in that trade I've banked 60K, and if I get another tiny little move and it gives me another 3-4K, why not? I've literally caught the absolute peak of that move. That's how I see it. And I roll stop losses to certain levels as well, so that I'm not gonna lose money. Either it's gonna be at that full level or not, sort of thing. Okay, there you go. That's the answer. Yeah. You know, I like to think of the way I trade.
52 spot.
I like to think of it
forecast 51 spot.
like a sniper using a shotgun.
5 minutes away from French PMI's services forecast 47.9, prior 47.9, composite forecast 48.6, prior 48.6.
1 second. So I like to think of it as I'm a sniper with a shotgun.
3:55 a.m. Eastern time, we get German PMI's services forecast 53.3, prior 53.3.
That's in 10 minutes. German services PMI. Oh, you got UK services PMI.
5.
Oh shit. We got quite a bit of news today. So I try to think of it like I operate like a sniper with a shotgun. And what I mean by that is a sniper has absolute patience and precision, yeah? But a shotgun gives a big bang, a big blast when it goes off. That's how I basically trade. Absolute precision, absolute patience, and then bang, you slap the market. You're basically donkey punching the market. But the issue with that is I'm very selective, which means my trade frequency is very low. Any signal, yeah, EU gave a trade, bro, but I didn't want it because it wasn't, for me, A plus setup. That's like a B plus at best, maybe an A depending on the context. For me, like one of the non-negotiables is if I get 1 leg, 2 leg there, and I want to short from here, one of my non-negotiables is price cannot react from a demand zone, because this could just be an efficient pullback into a demand zone that breaks structure here and it could continue to go long. So that's one of my non-negotiables. I can't like sacrifice that for anything. So yeah, nothing as of yet. First leg, second leg, we broke structure here. We could have took a trade from here. I was looking at GU, my bad, but I wouldn't have taken it until same thing as well. Like with GU, it is what it is, isn't it? If UK taught signals to students, I'd be like, yo, bruv, you know me, I'm telling you now, cause, you know, you got the order flow and that, cause moving the markets, you get me, man, moving the markets and that, bruv. You got this high here, is a protected high, you get me, cause that's protected. That's like a man doing 10 toes with Glocks. You man ain't touching you get me, fam. So from this zone, we're gonna wanna shank the market, bro. We're gonna wanna take blood from the market, and then the price drops like that. You get me, cause patterned it, big man. That's how they would sell signals from the market, cause you see that top hole, man fell down, cause man fell down, lock off. Oh god. I woke up midnight midnight and took a trade. Guess what? I lost. So that's exactly 20 trades in challenge. Bro, why did you send a message in Discord and then delete it? Because I woke up and I seen Discord and I seen a message and I couldn't find it when I clicked on it.
One minute remaining. I'll lead with French services PMI.
So Roadman will call the strategy stab and go. Nah. We're gonna call it shank and 10 toes. Listen, lads, we're gonna do the shank and 10 toes, yeah? We got the shank right here. We're doing the 10 toes here. Y'all get me, bro? Shank and 10 toes. Ain't no one gonna catch me when I'm with my bros.
48.4 higher than forecast. 47.9 composite. 49.
Running at night to catch all the hoes.
Higher than forecast. 48.6.
Because we are roadman and we are always on the goes.
And at 3:55 a.m. Eastern time, we get German services PMI.
Oh,
Forecast
God.
53.3, prior 53.3, and composite forecast 52.5, prior 52.5. And at 4 a.m. Eastern time, we get Eurozone PMIs. Composite forecast 51.5, prior 51.5, services forecast 51.9, prior 51.9.
Bro should be taking 20. That's yeah, bro. He's mad, you know. He's mad. He's on crack. Should be taking more. Yeah, something's wrong with him, you know. Something's wrong with him. There's this fit girl I'm talking to, man. I think she's Singaporean. She's a trader. Oh. Anyway, and she likes cats. Just give me one good April setup and I won't take another. Oh man, just straight said Maria. I'll laugh if she goes to the live stream. Oh, I'm gonna be cooked so hard. Anyway, yeah, I second that. You two need to relax yourself. Why is the market so consolidated? Only EU's moving. What's UJ doing? Huh. It moved a bit here. Nah, bro, she knows, innit, like that I stream and stuff like that, so she knows that that's not true. Keep it halal. Bro, you think I'm bothered about that? I'm a whack and dip. I'm a whack and dip.
1 minute remaining.
I need some good wedding
German
food. Oh yeah,
PMI.
one was the roast, yeah, and the gosht and the keema and the tikka and the mathai and the gulab jamun. Yeah, man's on it for the wedding food. Fish pakora for starters. Dekho, I love chicken pakore. Oh, chicken. But it has to be breast chicken, not thigh.
52.4, 52.4 lower than forecast 53.3, composite 52.1, 52.1 lower than forecast 52.5. At 4 a.m. Eastern Time, we get Eurozone PMIs. Services forecast 51.9, prior 51.9. Composite forecast 51.5, prior 51.5.
Trying to find out where she's from. She said it before, but I was looking through the chat. Oh, Filipino. Yeah, Filipino. Yes. Okay, Germany services. Okay, forecast 53.3, come out at 52.4. That is a decline, but it is above 50, considered growth. But I don't like the fact it's a decline. Germany composite PMI finals forecast 52.2. Once again, it came out a miss at 52.1. Not that good because it was a miss, but still above 50, so it's still considered as growth. Now we got Eurozone at 9 o'clock, which is 51.5 for composite, and services is 51.9. This one coming for the UK is going to be very important. Very important. We're forecasting the same as what we had previously. I think we're going to miss on GBP. I'll be shocked if we get growth above the forecast when we're already forecasting so high at 54.3. So if we beat that, wow, that's gonna really support the pound, and it's gonna make Bank of England say, you know what, we're not gonna cut rates because the services PMI is looking really good. So I'm very curious to see how this is gonna go. Alright, bloody fish pakore, bloody gold ranging, I need to get in. Damn, I thought Bashy signal I was gonna propose. Oh, you cute guy, man. You're such a cute guy.
I need it.
Oh, such a cute guy, Sahad. Thigh has more taste. Nah, I like breast piece. I'm a breast man, but I like horses. He can have 2. He's loaded. Are you in GJ trade? Who's in GJ? I'm waiting for the zone to fail, and we might consider getting a stab right here. But if we get shanked, then minor, innit? We'll take it. We'll take it on the chin, lad. So I'm thinking GJ longs from this demand zone.
One minute remaining. I'll lead with Eurozone services PMI.
We'll do a 4.2 pip SL. The only thing is, I don't like the fact that we've done such a big move already. How many pips have we done? Bloody, have we done 37 pips already, bro? So from Frankfurt low. So wait a second. So Frankfurt low's about here. Bro, we've already done a 45 pip move. I like the boaty, mate. Yeah, mate. I hear that.
51 spot 6, 51 spot 6 lower than forecast,
Ooh.
51 spot 9, composite 51 spot 3, 51 spot 3 lower than forecast, 51 spot 5.
So slight miss on euro there as well. UK services now 30 minutes. Come on, let's see what happens. Either we're gonna get mangled or we're gonna be all right. So I want to go long here, but the issue is we've done such a big move. I don't know. Price already come there anyway, but it hasn't even broke the high, so it might give a different zone. If price comes down, takes out all this level, then goes higher, I would prefer that, because then it's collected internal liquidity to fuel the move higher. That gives me a bit more confidence in that trade, rather than basically starting to leave a trend line right here and then we enter on a bloody demand zone where there's a trend line below us. That's bait as hell. That's bait as hell. Oh, Haroon, how do you trade, by the way? I like the... All right, relax in it. We've been sus out here. If I follow trend, I take pullbacks. What time frame? And pullbacks into where? Pullbacks into a fib? Pullbacks into a key level or what? Like what? Like roughly what is that level? So euro would have gave you a break even and no money yet, because I'm not taking partials at 8 pips. That's useless for me. Okay, I got you. So we come down to Asia midline. First leg, second leg, broke structure there. You could probably go long from here, to be honest. Now, if you wanted to, you could go long from here. Because euro is not as up as the pound is. Obviously, I can't trade that yet because it just had news, so can't trade that. Going to move this out the way because GJ still hasn't broken that invalid zone yet, so you still can't do anything about it. On challenges, so news trading, yeah, I know, but you know where prop firms catch you out. Do what you want, bro, to get funded. No problem. Do what you want. Now you're funded, you can't risk this, you can't do this, you can't do that, you can't trade this, you can't do that, you're not allowed to do this, you're not allowed to do that, and then boom, straight away, bro, you've failed the challenge. The best way for you to pass is as though you're funded. Play with all the rules now, because if you get funded with no rules, then what the hell are you gonna do when you're funded, bro? Tell me, innit? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Nothing. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna do your Ross Clark, Bomber Clark, you're not gonna do nothing, cuz. You know what I mean? You're not gonna do nothing. So you need to learn to trade in those. Yeah, which is why you need to trade with the challenge, with the rules. So if you do get funded, then that's evidence that, you know what, I followed all the rules, I got funded, I made 15%. I should be able to make at least 2-3% every month and just keep getting 2-3%. Yeah, I'm waiting for good setup. Yeah, I'm not hitting sell 15 times like a bloody nitty. What was I gonna do? I was gonna do something. Funded is worse than challenge phase. Haha. So just stick to rules always. Exactly. That guy on TikTok was crazy. He was like machine gun hitting cells. I don't know who that is, but it sounds like a nitty. And what Sahad said is right. Sahad is pip analyst, by the way. Stick to all the rules now, because that's how you need to get the money when you're funded. So yeah. If I do pass challenge, I need to be 7 days in profit before I can request a payout.
Onto CCTV, Xi meets Vietnam's foreign minister in Beijing.
Well, hello everybody, this is Donald J. Trump. You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Isn't that one big, huge, brilliant deal? Come on, people.
We're having a good discussion now. Okay, sorry. Whoa, slow down. We are talking to Renee. Ooh. Right. Okay. Sorry, I was focusing on haram things. Let me be halal for a while. Oh no, Yahya's here. I can definitely be haram now. You stupid. Welcome to the stream. Everyone, let's bully him. Let's bully him. Okay. If I do pass challenge, I can request payout. Okay. What do you mean? You have to do 7 profitable days or what? I don't know how old you are, but this is a friendly suggestion. Delete social like TikTok that you are on. If you say it's about trading, just focus on your goals. Bro, I want to pin that comment. Can you pin? Yeah, replace pinned message. Have it. That was such a good comment, Sahad. Really good comment. Honestly, really good comment. Assalamualaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh akhi ahlan wa sahlan akhi ana ashtaqtu alayk akhi jiddan wallahi aqsam billah wa anta bahabbak jiddan. So trust I am just focusing on challenge now. He's chatting BS. He's not gonna do social media at all. Hey yo, bro is not Trump. I was just looking around, that's why I seen the guy. Yeah, but that's what, you know, you just need to delete all negative influences. Bro too busy counting his funded accounts. Finally on silver. Okay, so you're saying silver's hit, yeah, Wangi? Oh, hey, that's early. I thought you said you were gonna go in at here. Wangi's like, fuck this, I'm taking buys now. I've had enough. He's like, I'm now waiting 180 pips. I'm bloody going long. Fuck it. Oh, the sell. Oh, you're selling down to that level. Oh, wait, I thought you were gonna buy from 87.7. My bad. I completely misunderstood that. Got 15 minutes till the okay, so selling down to that zone, that makes more sense now. Okay, Halil's here. Oh my god.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Nah, I make millions and I'm on all social media. You're the core seller, you are. Halil's the core seller. It's nice of you to join us for once. Been a long time, bro. Long time. I might join you in silver, waiting for a little pullback. Why? Listen. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, help me, please. Give me sabr to deal with these bagharets. I need the water. Yes, have you traded yet today or not? Yeah, he's taking all the random setups, man. What are you doing? Try to trade your own moves, not other people's moves, innit? And if you want to follow mine, that's up to you. But tell me if you're going to follow my move, because I'll tell you how to manage it and how to separate it from the way you normally trade. So it's blocked out of your mind as a trade you've taken, if that makes sense. We should mainly focus on your own. I see a setup coming in silver. He's just gas, bro. He's blacking it. He is 100% talking BS. Yeah, I did. I closed really quick. I waited for New York session. No loss, £5 profit. Yes, you can't trade today. That's one trade. You can't trade now. You're done. Yes, you can't do it. If you took a trade, you can't say I'm going to close it and take one later. You can't. This is a trading plan. Your one trade's done. No more trading for today, yes. That's one trade done. Unless you accidentally tapped the screen and you opened a trade, yeah, sure. No, bro, follow the plan. You made $5 profit, take it. That's 0.1%, bro. You made 0. You're up 1.1%. Allah Mubarak. Allah Mubarak. Subhanallah. I just waiting to see if it pulls back. I will take it. Okay. I don't believe you. I just woke up. What did it miss? I clicked the what? You misclicked it and you made $5 profit. I don't know, guys. What do you think? Do you think Yes is lying or not? I'm gonna do a poll. I'm gonna make a poll to see if everyone thinks if you're a liar or not. Wait. There you go. There you go. There you go. I've done the. So yeah, of course he's a drug addict. Yes, look, they're making fun of you. You got 3 votes. Everyone says, of course, he's a drug addict. Yes, he's getting cooked. Yes, he's getting cooked. Oh man, you guys made me laugh, bro. I swear, you guys are bare funny. So if you would have shorted here, you would have had a no break even and a loss. If you were to have gone long
time, we get UK
here, you would have had a loss.
Services forecast 54 spot 3, prior 54 spot 3, composite forecast 53 spot 9, prior 53 spot 9.
This guy, that's way too funny. You know the issue, Sahad, these lot aren't serious, bro. They're not that serious about trading. They just mess around too much. And they're like, yeah, bro, we're serious. Trust me. 3 minutes later, bro, NFP, man, I took a hit, yeah, bro. I knew the market is gonna go up, you know, but it went down. Of course, you gotta stay positive. You know, Haroon, yeah, typical Pakistani, shit stirring, all day shit stirring. Wallahi, I am. Inshallah. The type to blow an account and lose his virginity on the same night. To a man. He'll be fully bent and twisted, bro. Yo, he has said inshallah to that. Raw. So we got 4 votes so far. One guy said yes. Another 3 people said, of course, he's a drug addict. Very interesting. Okay, if you accidentally took that trade, then okay, you can have 1 trade. Remember to follow the rules. I said to you 0.5 risk. Set your TP to 123. That's your trading strategy. And it's only 1 trade. Remember, if you don't see the perfect setup in London, take it in New York. Bashi, if me and Haroon get funded, inshallah, you need to run away. I don't think they saw my message. Ha. Nah, I think they did, but they ignored it because they knew you'll cook them hard, innit? Yeah, man, I'm doing that. Good lad. Forget silver didn't go back as I wanted to. I think he said that because Mwangi's not said anything. You didn't see his message? I see it right there. He said Haroon the type to blow an account to lose his virginity on the same night. Check gold. Well, if silver's dropping, then the likelihood gold is dropping. Haroon, I'll sell and you buy so I can get funded. If you're gonna do it on a 100k account, risk 2%, and then when you get the payout, split the payout. Honestly, that's a really good way of doing it. Seriously, get 200k account. That's actually a really good method. Get 200k account, do 2% risk, yeah? One goes long, one goes short. You both hold it for 30 minutes, and whichever direction it goes, as long as you get like 3-4 R on it, that's gonna be 6 or 8%. Get the payout, split it between the two of you, and if you blew the account, you split the money of the funded as well between each other after the profits. So then, oh my god, that's a sick idea. That could be considered group trading, but they will never know. Yo, we've just cracked the market, you know. I'm not even joking. Pattern 200k accounts, risk 2%, and then literally aim for like, I don't know, 3-4 R, and then 4 R on 2% is 8% risk, 8%, yeah, on a 200k account, bro. That's good money, man. Why is it haram? You don't tell me about haram. You're gambling, yeah? You're gambling. Okay, you don't tell me about haram. You're gambling. Bashi giving ideas for free. Come on. That's a sick idea, though, Sahad. Because then you can't... Prophets don't let you have 2 accounts and buy and sell. But if you and your boy have got buy and sell, that's fine. And then you split the money in it. Bro, I'm a Haji. I went to Umrah. What do you mean? Bro, you're gambling the markets.
At 4:30 a.m. Eastern time.
Let's do it. I bet it costs so much.
Services forecast 54.
200Ks are about a grand.
54 spot 3. Composite forecast 53 spot 9. Prime 53 spot 9.
That's what I mean. They would never know, Mwangi. They would never know. They would know if one guy has 2 accounts buying and selling, but if you and your best friend do it, bro, you know what I mean? And then you keep doing it. Eventually, one of the accounts is going to get funded. Yeah, I'm telling you, it's actually gambling. I'm being serious, bro. If you don't follow your plan and stick to the plan and stuff like that, yeah, that's literally gambling. You might not want to accept it, but wallahi, it is. The thing is, if both markets go both ways to stop both accounts, that'll be a no, but then I'm on about before you're a gambler, innit? So if you have a 10% drawdown, and basically I have like open a position with no SL with like 1% risk and just accept like a 3% move on gold or silver, like a big move, and when it goes into profit 1, 2, 3 or then close out. Don't do it with an SL really tight, because then you're right, it might go up, it might go down, it might stop both of you out. So you have to do it with the big SL, so then if it does go all the way down, at least the other account's all the way up. You see what I'm trying to say? And my hand just accidentally hit lot size. Wait, I'm gonna slap this guy in a second. 1 second. 1 sec. I'm gonna grab my chopper. How do you? Where's my friend? Where's my Kurdish friend? She's very toxic. Otherwise, I would have asked her for a relationship. But she's very toxic. I can't curse her, bro. I'm a guy. She's funny and she's a bit crazy as well. Okay, by the way, I got you good. Yeah, you did, you know, I was so angry. Wait, my hand just accidentally hit the lot size, made it bigger and bought gold accidentally. You can't be making these stupid incidents, bro, when you do, I'm classing them as a trade, okay?
One minute remaining. I'll lead with UK services PMI.
Oh, she's not answering. She's being annoying. I'll ignore her. Anyway, any mistakes? Oh, okay. Nah, leave him. Man. Don't buy gold. Yeah, waiting for gold level. I know, Haroon. I'm still waiting for bug bearish move. Never associate trading with any religion or God. No God can save you in trading. That's true. Literally, God does not exist in the markets. The God in the markets is at the moment Trump or his counterpart. No, Trump's Shaitan. In the market, Shaitan is Trump, and in the market, God is Jerome Powell. You got good versus evil in the market. They got 5 people 54, saying
54,
yes is a liar, basically.
Spot 3. Composite 53 spot 7. 53 spot 7 lower than forecast.
I'm only focusing on buys.
9.
Lol, bro said F. I'm joking. There was a tsunami and our math teacher came with a boat, like, bro. Bro, he can play to get the skill to learn. I don't really believe that, to be honest, bro. If you believe you're gonna read Salah and then somehow Allah's gonna make you a trader, I don't get how that works when billions of Muslims learn to become successful and 99% of Muslims are still living in poverty. I don't understand that. That doesn't work, bro. Like, you know, when people say you read this dua for money and stuff like that, I don't believe any of it. I really don't. There's no consistency there. Bashi or not Bashi anymore. Fuyo. yo. Yeah, it's a belief. It's not a fact. Yeah, that's why I don't really. I don't know, bro. I like to go on facts and stuff like that. I'm pray and make an edit on you, bro. Just wait, bro. Do as you wish. Pray and just make a dua on yourself that you stop becoming a crazy trader and that you pass account. Make that. That's better. So UJ is looking clean now. Very weird momentum on UJ. A very weird price action. Entry was here once again. There's a very quick pace entry, and then consolidated, did a push, consolidated, dropped hard, did a push again. So UJ is behaving in a very weird way. CHF is, I mean, I did want to go short. First leg, second leg cooked there. There, you couldn't have shorted there. Second leg there, pull back, short into the bloody hell. Crappy price action. The price action today is really bad. On Forex anyway. Let's see what New York says for CHF, because this right now is really bad. Really bad right. Look at UJ really quick. Going up to 4 o'clock as well. And have you got any other highs over here? No, we don't have a clean zone all the way here for price to fully rally through all of that. So that's gonna be tricky. It's good to have faith, bro, but not result. But results come from your hard work. I'm not saying don't pray, but you need to make the change. Yeah, of course. Yeah, like you can't just say, oh, I'm gonna make a dua and Allah's gonna give me a job. I'm gonna make a dua and Allah's gonna give me a wife. I'm gonna make a dua and Allah's gonna make me a millionaire. And then you're not working, you're not studying, you're not looking for a partner, you're not trying to like better yourself and stuff like that. You know, these types of beliefs, I get angry by them because many Muslims do it, bro. They just sit there and be like, Ya Allah, give me a stable income. And the guy sat at home watching TV and claiming benefits, and he's not doing anything. He's not working for anything. He's not benefiting his life in any way. It's a mockery. It's like disrespectful, no? The purpose of it is supposed to be that you do things with the knowledge of Allah, like the taqwa. You do it with taqwa. And a lot of people don't have taqwa, that's the issue. So we haven't taken out this invalid zone yet, but I really think we will at some point, someday, some century. Yeah, blind faith. Yeah, of course, yeah. Because the Sheikh said it, we listen to them, that's it. They don't say, well, why did they say that? What's the purpose of that? Are you sure that's okay? That doesn't make sense. They just say, okay, Sheikh, no problem. The Sheikh says, shit in your hand and clap. No problem, Sheikh. Like, they've got no sense of independence or like critical thinking or anything. They'll be like, yeah, Sheikh, we shit in our hand and clap for you. Okay, Mwangi, silver's coming. Slowly. It's slowly coming, silver is. Mwangi, it's at 88.5 right now. Oh, UK composite, how did it come out? I forgot to check. Okay, so 54.3 come out at 54. That's good. It only 0.3 miss. It's still lower than obviously, but it's not as bad as what I thought it would be. Seriously, it's not as bad as what I thought it would be. So that is not bad at all. And then we got Eurozone at 10. Wow, I was surprised by that. The pound has surprised me. Sheikh be like, you should live your life for God and simple life, but he'll be driving around in a BMW. Yeah, of course, I don't believe Sheikh or anything like that. I don't trust any religious people. I think most religious people are fake. I believe religious people are the ones who march on Palestine. That's religious to me. Not just doing everything as a basic standard and then denying, you know, humanity itself. If this is getting too political. Too much siyasat going on here. Okay, so yeah, we don't really have anything here either. Bakri mate. Meh. So UJ longs, now they're starting to move. UJ is a weird asset, man, I swear. It has much more consolidation and then the move occurs. So how far up would that move be now? So I think it was on this zone here. So if you did a 3 pip SL, it's done about 7 or still not a lot. Still not really a lot, to be fair. 7. But it was Asia high bounce, not a fake out, which is great. Price made literally equal highs on GJ, which is somewhat annoying. Because I wanted that zone to fail. That could be there. So nothing clean as of yet is going on. Get rid of that. Which is fine because it just means you're waiting it. The euro shorts were good as well. They worked out really good. So I called euro really well. I called the pound long really well from here. Obviously after the pound did the long, the euro gave the short. Pound obviously follows that afterwards. I wanted to go long on UJ. Obviously it's too late for that or whatever it was, I don't remember. CHF, JPY, GBP, what did I want on this? I think I wanted to go short. Couldn't catch a clean entry. So, not bad day today, I suppose. Kind of calling price action well. But the entries and invalidations are the thing that's stopping me as always, which is fine. Because it's protecting me from stop losses as well. so I don't mind that at all. Let's end that poll now. Of course, he's a liar. He is a drug addict. So would there have been a way to have got into shorts on GU? So you had first leg here, second leg here. I don't really like that, to be honest, because if you class this as a break, check Discord. Okay. You're an idiot, man. When did you do that? That is so funny. I'm gonna save that. Can I save it? Yes. This video saved. Yeah, done. That's sick. I like that. I saved it on my phone. That was good. Yeah, that was brilliant. I like that a lot. I'm gonna use that with a lot of people. I can tell. Oh man. Okay, so I don't think that the only thing we could look for now is, because London Open's done a how many pip move? 301, yeah. So 301 all the way to the top, which is 33. So we've done a 30 pip. Wait, what? 30 pip move in about an hour and 45 minutes, which is, you know, about okay, which is kind of okay price action, I suppose. It's all right, volume wise, I mean. Now in terms of euro, 162. So we've done 179. We've done a 21.7 pip move in an hour and 42, which is, so EUG are lining up with usual volume, which is good. Yen is not, because I think that's done obviously less than, that's done 37 pips. Yeah, that's okay. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. What the? Hey, idiots, man. That was good. That was funny. So hard. Funny guy, man. Funny guy. Anyway, I don't think there's much I can do now. We're back at Asia midline. Is there a chance we can go long again? I don't know. Possibly. Let's have a look. There may be a chance we could creep in another long, maybe. But only if it gives us a clean trade, then yeah, sure. If not, then no. Euro, I think, is not gonna really do anything. No CHF. UJ, it's coming for these highs. The high up here, so it might do something. I'm gonna just get rid of these. Stay up here. That can go down here. And that can go on to here. So I'm gonna see if UJ is gonna give a chance for a reversal. If it does, I'll look at that and see if we can kind of hop into something. If it gives it, obviously. If it doesn't, then it's fine, no problem. So let's see how we get on with UJ. GJ, I don't really know if I think that there's a likelihood, yeah, because you have tagged into this invalid zone here. It's the London Open low. I think this might be an invalid zone. Why? Because we tagged in, we gave a reaction, we've got all the resting liquidity below it. So if we're lucky, we might be able to hop in a GJ short. Yeah, due to be delivered today. Yes, yes, yes. Due to be delivered today. Yes, yes, yes. Due to be delivered today. So from yesterday, 5 o'clock, they got it to me today in Burton. Wow. Exceptions apply to some addresses. I don't know how we got the postage so fast. That's insane. Okay, we got news at 10 as well, by the way. Eurozone CPI year on year. See you, Bash, gonna go for a run. Bro, it's late, man. But you know it's not that bad. Yeah, go for a run. Thanks for coming, bro. Drop a like and stuff like that. Jazakallah. And see you later, bro. Assalamualaikum. Looks like that sell-off has kept going. I thought we might get a bounce at the midline of Asia for another push higher, but nope, it looks like price is going to keep going and running on that one, which is fine.
At 5 a.m. Eastern Time, we get Eurozone CPI. Year-on-year forecast 1.7%, prior 1.9%. Core year-on-year forecast 2.3%, prior 2.3%. Eurozone PPI. Year-on-year forecast -2.1%, prior -1.7%. Month-to-month forecast -0.25%, prior 0.5%.
How many pips is this? 130. Wow, why is that even here? And why? What the hell? You got 40 pips there, which is going to probably happen by NFP. And then we've got like how many pips here? 260 and 300. Are these weekly highs? That must be a weekly high. That needs to go right over here, man. Like that's like freaking next Friday sort of price action. There. So there you go. Don't see us really doing that big of a move. So that's EU done. And GU, yeah, we can definitely move these out of the way. So over to next week, Friday. And then we've got from here, we got 100 pip move there, 70 there, 110 there. I think that's gonna be probably an FP to get to those levels, I think. This one here, we could probably leave it on. That's 80 pip and there's 100. Yeah. Safe New York session. Then that's what about GBPCHF? What are we saying? That's all okay. USD/JPY, that's all okay. Oh, what we got here? Let's get rid of them. Don't need them. I need weekly zones though. Where are they?
At 5 a.m. Eastern Time, we get Eurozone CPI year-on-year forecast 1.7%, prior 1.9%. Core year-on-year forecast 2.3%, prior 2.3%. And Eurozone PPI year-on-year forecast minus 2.1%, prior minus 1.7%. Month-on-month forecast minus 0.25%, prior 0.5%.
So let's look at GJ really quick. On the weekly time frame, is drag or catch them weekly lows. And then you got Liquidity on the weekly side of things, and then go to M15. That, and then there's the next one all the way over here. That, and then go 30-minute time frame. And to be honest, we're not going to come all the way down here. That's a 350 pip move for at least 2-3 weeks, I don't think. So
Umarov says Ukraine, Russia, and the US begin talks in the UAE.
you can do like probably till the Friday, 4 o'clock. There you go. And got that weekly high right there, which we're starting to show a wick rejection on the 1 hour, which is interesting. So prices going back up from that level, although to me it was very suspicious to be buying at London low when you got all that below it, but price might want to take the high to then come down. So yeah, our source is still very, very valid.
1 minute remaining. I'll lead with Eurozone CPI year on year.
You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Let's make a big, beautiful deal, people. Come on.
Ooh, gold's going up from that 88.25 level. Silver is, sorry. So silver's going up. I don't know if you're still here, Mangi, or not. Gold is also, I guess.
One spot 7%, 1.7% as expected. Core year on year 2.2%, 2.2% lower than forecast. 2.3% Eurozone PPI year on year minus 2.1% as expected.
I'll wait.
Minus 0.3%, minus 0.3%.
You're not going to go long
lower than forecast
from that level.
0.25%.
It is an alright place to go long, to be fair. See what happens, yeah. Have a look at VIX is up 0.5. Indices are around break-even-ish. No, 78.7. Okay, 87.7. Silver, platinum, palladium up 4.5%. Oil down 0.3. Bitcoin still hovering around 0-ish. So around 76k. GBPJPY is up because AUD is strong. Actually, no, yen's weak. Yeah. So yen's weak across all of the board. CHF is up really good as well. Makes sense. Gold, silver's up 4.8. Gold's up 2.3. We're quite low on volume today, bro. For silver to only be up 4.8%. I think the buyers did their stepping in earlier on. Yesterday, the buyers were getting in, I'm guessing, which is why we had that 10% move, 11% move or something. So yeah. I'll probably call it here, Mangi and boys and guys. We're at 10 o'clock. I don't think I'm gonna look for a trade now. I think we're about done. So yeah, it was an okay day, I guess. Let me just unpin this, man. How do you unpin that? So chat. Yeah, see you tomorrow, bro. We got news later on, so just be careful of New York session. Just be careful of that. And then obviously if I trade, I'll post it in the Discord. If not, I'll see you tomorrow. So yeah, take it easy, boys. Have a good one. See you later. Bye.